Said that you've been hurt one too many times before. Ended up staring in the bathroom